Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So in this week's video we are going to be doing a simple Tealight holder from apple wood. So we're going to start by getting it around using the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Just flattening off the bottom here at the same time as going around the sides and getting it to round.
Wishing for a place to hide, a place to leave the dark in me forever and ever. Chasing sunlight, racing for life, breaking silence to master the lies. You can tell the story, but I can deal telling it.
There's the mid-size rougher, and we're just getting ready to make the hook and the number one follower, just to take a few final passes on the outside.
For 20 nights and 20 days, I was drifting out of space. I turned away from every side.
There we go.
From everything that shook my ground. But slowly I would start.
Alright, so we're at the bottom of the Tealight holder now. So first of all we're going to get rid of that little bit of a nub in there using the mid-size rougher. Going to take the pencil and mark the centre. Going to use the Easy Jaws template, and we are going to mark out for the Mortise. There's a link down in the description as to where you can get the Jaws template. I get a lot of questions about that, so like I say, there's a link down in the description. There's the mid-size detailer, just to mark out where the Mortise is going to go. Going to clean it out with the number one hollower. Flatten everything off with the mid-size rougher. And back to the detailer so it matches the angles of the jaws in the chuck. Alright, we're going to do some sanding now with the sanding pad in the drill. A bit of compress there. And some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean out the grain.
I'm finally a part of the race for life.
There we go. Alright, so we've got the Tealight holder turned round now and the lathe turned on. And we are going to start by cleaning it out. The first one we're going to use is the mid-size rougher. In actual fact, it's the first and the last tool we use for cleaning it out and hollowing it out. Want the walls on this to be quite straight. Making the recess now for the tea light holder. There we go. There's the first test fit. Bit of compressed air. And the second fit looks good to me. Alright, back to sanding with the drill. Bit more compressed air. And some Danish oil from Hampshire Sheen. Tea light holders are fantastically easy to make great gifts for anybody, for your friends, and obviously people are making Christmas gifts coming up already, so yeah, get on the bandwagon and make yourself or one of your friends a nice little tea light holder. So with that being said, there will be some pictures at the end. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like. And until next week's video, I shall see you then. Bye bye for now.